Good morning, dear children. Welcome to our EVS class. Today we will continue the lesson number 23, the land of India. But before we proceed further, let's have a quick recap what we have learnt in the previous module. We have learnt about the physical features of India. That is, India is divided into 6 major geographical regions. The Great Himalayan Mountain Range, Himadri, Himachal and Shivalik. We have already learnt about the importance of the Himalayas, the northern plains and the importance of the northern plains. In this module, we will study about the desert region. The northwestern part of India, especially the state of Rajasthan, is covered by a sandy area known as the Thar or the Great Indian Desert. This region is dry and receives very little rainfall. Hardly any plants or trees are found in the Thar Desert. Summers are very hot and in winters the nights are bitterly cold. This region has low population because of the difficult living conditions. The nomads keep moving from one place to another in search of water. Most villages are built near oases where underground water forms small pools. We must stop cutting trees, otherwise desert area would increase. Next we have the southern plateau. The southern part of India is a peninsula which is surrounded by the Arabian Sea in the west, the Bay of Bengal in the east and the Indian Ocean in the south. Children, do you know what is a peninsula? The land surrounded from three sides by water is called a peninsula. And what is a plateau? Plateau is a high flat land. It is also known as the tableland. The southern plateau lies to the south of the northern plains and is shaped like a triangle. The southern plateau covers most of the peninsular region. Rivers like Godavari, Krishna and Kaveri flow into the Bay of Bengal and Narmada and Tapi rivers flow into the Arabian Sea. In the north, the hills of the Satpura and the Vindhya ranges separate the plateau from the northern plains. Next we have the coastal plains. There are narrow belts of plains on both sides of peninsular plateau. They are known as western coastal plains and eastern coastal plains. The climate is neither too hot nor too cold. Fishing and agriculture are the main occupation of the people and the farmers grow rice, coconut, sugarcane, spices, etc. The major ports of the Mumbai, Chennai, Cochin are big business centers. Next we have the island region. Apart from the main island, India also has two island groups. On the eastern side lies a group of islands in the Bay of Bengal called the Andaman and Nicobar Islands. Another group of islands found on the western sides in the Arabian Sea is called the Lakshadweep Island. Lakshadweep Islands are called coral paradise because they are made of beautiful coral deposits. The climate of the islands is humid. They receive rainfall almost throughout the year. Tourism is the biggest industry through handicrafts of the islands are also very popular like straw mats, shell toys, etc. Thank you children. Have a nice day.